Hello kapwa nurses, isi-share ko pala sa inyo paano mag-apply sa person view if mag-take kayo ng CBT exam. So itong username at saka password ay galing sa email natin na galing sa person view confirmation na may username natin at temporary password. Pwede nyo din to i-click yung link na may nakalagay schedule and manage your exam appointments. So input nyo lang yun. Tapos, lalabas niyan. I-click nyo lang lahat yung pwede i-click. Yung data collection, data, as in lahat yan. Once na mayroong isa dyan na hindi nyo maklik, babalik kayo sa una. Kasi dapat lahat yan nakaklik. Lahat yan nakapink. Yan. Tapos, click nyo lang yung agree. Tapos, lalabas yung change password. Since sinabi nila doon, it's temporary password. So, you can choose your own password na. Para ikaw lang yung may access talaga sa person view account mo. Yan, new password at saka may confirmatory for new password. I think ang nangyari sa akin, mali yung new password at saka yung confirm new password. So, once na mali, babalik siya. Tapos, i-try nyo ulit. Yan. So, nag-try ako ulit. Anyway, yung regarding sa username and password, baka mag-wonder kayo. Yan, mag-email lang sa inyo ang person view once na ma-verify na yung state of board nyo sa NMC application. State Board of Nursing yun. Then tapos niyan, itong may tatlong create security questions, automatic na lalabas to. Merong question 1, question 2, and question 3. Tatlong tanong na kailangan nyo lang sagutan. Mag-select lang kayo kung ano, bahala kung ano ang gusto nyo. Para lang yan, if ever na malimutan nyo yung password nyo, then you can retrieve by using that questions. Yan, namili lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Actually, wala naman yung hindi naman masyadong strict yan. Basta ma-finish nyo lang yung question 1. Basta ma-answer nyo lang pala yung question 1, 2, and 3. Then, save and continue. Click nyo lang yung save and continue. Then, click nyo lang yung schedule an exam. Diyan sa may arrow na pababa sa right side. So, if select nyo lang yung view exams. Tapos, click nyo lang yung for nursing registration, close parenthesis, all pathways. View exam for nursing registration. Click nyo yan. Yung arrow nasa right. Tapos, lalabas yung Test of Competence 2021 for Nursing. I-click nyo din. Then, ito na yung lalabas. For me, ang pinili ko yung NMC RNA 2021 Adult Nurse. Pero yung sa iba, depende sa application nyo. Kasi merong iba yung Child Nurse. So, ang akin, wala pa naman akong employer. So, ito, adult daw as a suggestion ng mga kaibigan ko. So, click nyo yung 2 modules na exam na part 1 at saka part B. Click nyo lang yung agree for the terms and conditions. Then, after that, i-click nyo lang yung search. Automatic na lumalabas yung address nyo dyan. So, search nyo lang. Then, ito na yung find a test center. So, ito yung suggestion. Lalabas na siya automatic. Merong Cebu, may 2 Makati, sa Sacedo Village, yung isa, at saka yung isa sa Hilpuyat, at saka merong yung pinakala sa Taiwan. So, ang pinili ko yung Salcedo Village, Makati City since dito nag-take ng exam yung mga kakilala ko. Then, click nyo lang yan, yung arrow sa right. Tapos, select a date at your preferred test center. So, ito na yung test center mo. So, find another test center. So, wag na. Kung gusto nyo babalik, so, click nyo na. Then, you can select the date from the calendar. Ito yung available dates nila from January to February. So, ang pinili ko is February 13. So, click nyo lang yung date ng February 13. Tapos, lalabas na din yung appointment. Select your appointment start time. So, dyan, how would you like to time display? So, select ko lang yung 12-hour. Tapos, automatic na i-click nyo yung book this appointment. Yan ang choices nila for that day. So, nag-click ako dito sa 1:15 to 5 p.m. So, mayroong 6 times available. Bali, 6 in between dyan, 6 na exam. Iba-iba yung time. So, click nyo lang yung arrow down sa right. Then, dyan, mamili kayo yung preferred time nyo kung kailan yung start time nyo. So, ang pinili ko 2 p.m. After nyong maklik niyang 2 p.m. or kung ano ang gusto nyong time, lalabas na siya here. Would you like to book this appointment? So, lalabas yung February 13 at saka yung preferred time mo, start time. So, 2 p.m. until 5. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 hours siya. Yung 200 minutes. Parang, yun yata yung nakalagay. So, 200 minutes daw yung exam. So, i-check nyo lang lahat kung tama yung location, yung date nyo, at saka yung time nyo. So, check nyo din yung name, birthday, tsaka telephone number na nagamit nyo. And after nyan, pag tama na lahat, then enter a payment. You can use American Express, Mastercard, Visa, at saka yung ibang Visa. So, lahat naman ng card accepted dyan. Only card lang ang payment available. I mean, na pwede ibayad. So, yun lang yung ways na magbayad kayo.